How to make a sustainable e-commerce store. Sustainability was just a buzzword for a long time. Majority of the businesses paid lip services to environmentalism in their marketing but was not committed towards its practice. However, the scenario has changed now. Sustainability is the core business practice of every modern progressive firm. Moreover, sustainability has become a high demand among the consumers. They go purchase products and services from the companies that involve sustainability in their business practice. You can do many effective things to make your online store greener. Go through the following points to understand it better. 1. Look for a green hosting service. When your selection of web host may not be the bone of contention for sustainability, but it plays a vital role. The servers that host your website requires a huge amount of energy to run. However, there are two ways which web hosting services lessen their impact on the planet. That includes renewable energy or carbon offset initiatives. Renewable energy is similar to relying on environmental sources of green energy like solar or wind energy servers. It is considered as the best way to keep the web hosts green. Moreover, it will remain sustainable from start to finish. For the services who do not use renewable energy, the alternative will be carbon offset initiatives. This helps in the creating programs that in turn helps in reducing the greenhouse gases everywhere. For a single unit of energy used by a web hosting company, pays to make a similar or higher amount of energy from an environment-friendly source to put back into the system. 2. Opt for paperless work. Every online business consumes a huge amount of paper. From internal documents and documents that will be delivered to materials for marketing and receipts, e-commerce businesses generate a huge amount of paper. You can transfer all your business paper documents into digital format to avoid the excessive use of paper. Starting from the receipts, statements to marketing materials, everything can be generated and delivered by learning digital tools. For example, email marketing services help you to forward all the important information to your customers. This method is more cost-effective, sustainable and easy to implement. 3. Build a partnership with green initiative. Doing a sustainable business often requires one to partner with experts. Similar to web hosting services using carbon offset plans for eliminating their negative impact on the planet, so you can partner with eco-friendly organizations for your business. There are enormous environment charities who can collaborate with for a mutually beneficial partnership. This is a simple idea. Every time a customer shops with you, you donate a portion of that amount to the Green City charity you have partnered with. Building partnership with an environmental charity is in a way rewarding. From one hand, your chosen charity gets a regular stream of income that helps them meet their environmental goals. On the other hand, you are contributing to the global green initiative, which will allow you to receive positive results in PR. Hence, partnering with a Green City charity will be a win-win. Before we go to the last point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. 4. Make use of efficient packaging. The packaging is an important factor when it comes to sustainability in e-commerce. However, the production of packaging generates a huge amount of waste, which is creating a negative impact on the planet. Many potential steps can be taken to reduce the negative impact of your packaging. Your first step should be to avoid using plastics in your packaging and start using recyclable products of your packaging. Cardboard is a potential solution, along with other biodegradable wastes such as bamboo or vegetable fibers. There is a wide range of eco-friendly packaging materials for you to choose from. Do your research and talk to suppliers that will help you to reduce the negative impact on Earth from your end. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below. We'll answer you shortly. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos.